Welcome back everyone. This video is all about to create a PowerPoint presentation, a beginner's guide from start to end. So you will get all over the PowerPoint, whatever you need to create a presentation. So you will get all those steps. So let's get started to create your own presentation. So first of all, we will open PowerPoint. So I will just close it. Let's search for the PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint. So it will launch this page for you. Here you have different options. You have themes. If you press this, it will move you to other themes, or you can select these themes. But we will create a blank presentation. So let's please press blank presentation. So after opening that, you will face with this page. So now you can select the design, which design you want. So come here to the design tab, select that, and here you have different design, different themes. So let's select that. Okay, for example, which design we want to apply. So if you have downloaded a design, so you can browse that also. So I will just select a design. So let's look for the best design. For example, we have selected this design. So in the first page, click to add title. What is this presentation about? For example, school management system. You can just adjust the text or decrease the size. And click to add subtitle. For example, Muhammad Yusuf. You can change the text, you can design it whatever you want, so you can apply these things. So now the third step is just to add another slide. So to add a slide, for that we have the option, for example, come here to the insert tab, and here we have new slide. Look at the slides, press this new slide button. Here you have different options, which type of slide you want to add to your page, to your presentation. For example, we want to add this one. Okay, select the second one. Here we can add a title. Okay, for example, the header or whatever is that, and here the text you want. So this is like school management software we have created using Maran stack, like this. Okay, you will add the text that you want, the points, and after that you can manage that. Just change the font, change the color, background color, and size, whatever you want, so you can apply that. So let's add other things. For example, you want to add charts, add images, shapes. So for that, let's add a new page. For example, click insert a new chart. For example, two contents. Press this one. So here you can add your title, whatever is that. Visualization. This, and here what you want to, if you want to insert the text, you can insert the text, or you want to add these things, you can insert stock images, pictures, icons, and you can also enter this one is like smart graphic, like whatever you want. So okay, so let's add a chart in this page. So to add a chart, instead of chart, let's add an icon. Here press icon. So here you can add an icon. You can also add the picture that you want. So search the icon or images that you want, illustration, video, cartoon, whatever is that. So just search that, so you will be able to add that. So let's wait for it. Search that. So let's insert this one. Insert it. So that has been inserted. Let's bring it here. So we can add here an image, like press it. So let's take it from our desktop. So for example, let's add an image, download. So here we have different options, different, yeah, like this one, a thumbnail. So we can add the images. So it's how we can add the images, the icons that you want. Let's add a new slide. Come here to the insert slide, new slide, and here I will add just, let's add which style, yeah, this style. Here you can add the title, and here we will add an image now, a chart. Okay, so to add a chart, for that let's press insert chart. And here select chart type, line, pie, which one you want, so just select that one. This one, which style you want, so you can select that and press OK. So it will add a chart, and here you have the data. The data will be from Microsoft Excel. Yeah, that is okay. Close it. So we have this chart, and here you can add the title and whatever data you have, so you can create chart from that. And other option is that, for example, you want to move this slide upper, okay, above from that one, so just move it up, so it will replace that. So now let's add transition and animation. Okay, so let's place the first one. Come here to the transitions. In the transition you can add different transition, like these are different options that we have. Okay, which one you want, so just apply that, and everyone apply this one, and third one this one, and then fourth one let's add this one. So now let's check it. Okay, so to view it, let's move to the presentation view. So press that. Look at this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the last of that. So this was all about the transition, okay, that you can add. You have different options for the transition that you can apply on your slide. So it was all about, okay, to create a presentation. So you can add the text, the images, the charts, the icons, whatever you want, so you can add that in. Lastly you can apply the transition. So it is how you can. Okay, let's preview it. First one, preview it. Second one, okay, the third one. So it will looks like this. So this was all about, okay, our presentation. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.